In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new 2nd gen Astro A20 wireless gaming headset. Now, this is the Xbox version, but it also works on PC and Mac. There is a PlayStation version that's blue and white, and it's just under 120 bucks on Amazon. But I'll leave a link in the description below with current pricing and more information. Some of the top features they're advertising is 15 plus hours battery life, up to 50 feet wireless range, and flip to mute microphone. It's got EQ presets, and it also has game voice balance. It uses a 2.4 gigahertz USB transmitter. As you can see, this works on Xbox Series X and Xbox One. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. Looks like you got a quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, USB transmitter. Okay, so I'm really liking this headband on here. It's sort of like a soft silicone material. Let me ask you guys this. Don't you think every headset should fold flat if it's over 100 bucks? I don't know, maybe that's just me. It's got some really soft cloth material here on the ear cushions. It definitely feels like memory foam. Personally, I like headsets with the leatherette material a little better, but I don't know, these feel really soft. Overall, the design on these actually look really nice. The sliders on these are definitely a little bit different than other headsets as well. And yeah, I kind of like it. All the controls are there on the right ear cup. Charging port, volume wheel, EQ settings, and your power button. Then on the left side is your flip to mute microphone, which I guess has decent flexibility in it. There's definitely quite a bit of flexibility in the ear cups. And yeah, this is gonna fit pretty much any size head. Plus it feels super durable. As far as looks go, yeah, this is probably one of my favorite headsets so far. But we all know looks can only take you so far. Now let's go ahead and start testing out some games and find out if this new A20 wireless headset is worth it. This is a mic test for the Astro A20 gaming headset. If you're new to my channel, in the second half of the video, I usually like to do a mic test as I give you my overall thoughts. So you'll definitely want to use headphones for this portion of the video to hear what the mic sounds like for the Astro A20 wireless gaming headset. So let me know in the comments below how you think the mic sounds. I have to say, this has got to be the loudest gaming headset that I've ever used. I mean, it's not even close. I felt like I had to turn these things down to almost off, just so it wouldn't blow my ears off. The great thing about having a headset this loud is you're not going to have any problems hearing all the details in games like directions of shots fired and which way footsteps are coming from. The downside to having a headset this loud is it's almost too loud. I know. I didn't think that was possible either. These connected really fast to my Xbox One S and my gaming PC. I didn't notice a huge difference though in the EQ settings. When watching YouTube videos or playing games, it's almost too subtle of a difference when choosing between the 3 different EQ presets. Now, bass on these sound decent as well. I couldn't actually turn these all the way up because I wanted to keep my hearing, but I gotta say, these things sound really good for music and movies. Like, really good. As far as how comfortable these things are, let's just say the ear cups are some of the most comfortable I've used. Sure, they get a little warm because it is that cloth material after about an hour of gaming or so, but they are just so comfy that I don't even care. I noticed the headband did feel a little uncomfortable after about an hour or so of gaming, but I just adjusted it slightly and then it was fine. Definitely more comfortable than the headband on my Astro A10. Now, I haven't had these long enough to test the battery life, but I'm telling you, if you want the loudest and one of the best sounding headsets, not to mention one of the most comfortable, at this price range, then look no further. These are not only my new favorite gaming headset, but wireless headset in general. Not to mention, they look really good. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.